the VPN application will ask for connection request. Just tap on OK. VPN will start connecting in no time. But you only get 5 minutes of connection time. You may need to add time. As you can see down here, you may need to add connection time. Pretty much can add 30 minutes of connection time here by just watching the ad. You'll be able to tap on this section here where you can go ahead and pretty much choose whichever server you want to connect to. So that's really pretty much it for this VPN application here. And if you do go in the settings option, nothing much, just the server. So it's a very decent VPN application, not very bad. The speed is great. I would say it's very decent, guys. But that's really pretty much it. And if you have any questions at all, you can comment below and let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you. But well, that's it, guys. See you in the next one.